shape throughout the day. So at midday, the clock is at its biggest, and at 6 p.m. it's at its smallest. It offers a new way to see the time through shape and pattern. I will always start with something existing, so a clock or a lamp or some piece of furniture which already exists, and then I will try and add to that some element of movement and think why that could make this more interesting and a better piece of furniture. It's made from a combination of machine-made parts, and then it's assembled by hand at the end. So the central body of the clock is made from a single piece of aluminium. The rails are made from stainless steel, and then the mechanism itself is cut from a piece of engineered wood. That's all then assembled together, and then the hour hand is connected to that mechanism, so then it can be checked that it all works and it's all running smoothly. Animaro is Latin, and it means to move or to animate. And the main idea behind the brand is to combine art and engineering to create beautiful furniture for the home which can move and change shape. I think one of the key ideas is not to create something gimmicky or that moves for no reason, but to create something that moves playfully for a function. The crane lamp, for example, this was a project I worked on last year. This is a lamp which moves and changes shape, so you can position the light wherever you want it and it will always stay in place. And this is done using a spring at the bottom, which is a really key component which stops it from collapsing, which allows you to always leave it exactly where you want it. I'm really interested in the idea of creating things which have a personality in themselves, so the way in which they move and change shape gives them a kind of character. Our customers tend to be homeowners with a keen interest in design, people that are interested in buying something a little bit different and with a bit of character.